Let's take a look at the features that you can use to design your description in your discussion board. So first step is you're giving your discussion board a title, and then we have all of these tools that you can use to then personalize that prompt that you're going to push out for the discussion board. In this case, what I've done is I've used a table to create a quadrant. In here, these yellow boxes indicate that I've imported and embedded different resources. So if I go to the table and I highlight how many cells I'd like, it gives me these different cells that I can then import into. Here is my insert content, the ability to insert an image, a YouTube video, symbols, equations, etc. So here is where I actually went in. I said I wanted to import a YouTube video. I look for my YouTube video. And now I select and I go import embed. When I do that, it gives me this yellow box. And once I publish this, I can see the video. You can also alter the size of your video here. I give some description in the other quadrant here. Description here is where I actually did insert content. I inserted from my Google Drive. So here I'm locating the resource, checking the box, import, embed, and it gives me the same thing. And I can alter the size of it by using these like little points here. We have our tools here at the bottom, here where you can attach a file that lives on your computer or something that you have downloaded from your Google Drive, a link, so a link to a Google Doc or a link to a website if you'd like them to explore. This could also, thinking about a file, it could also be a PDF that you're asking for students to take a look at. Resource can be a resource from your Schoology resources. Here you can record a video or an audio recording, and this could be the way that you're delivering the discussion board prompt. So an alternate way that you can give the direction for that discussion board in addition to some text here that you're including. And you can also include an external tool, such as if, let's say, you're including an ed puzzle. If you'd like to enable grading and you want this to go ahead and count in the gradebook, you're going to check this box. You're going to go ahead and give it a due date always. Here's where you have the ability to individually assign. You can individually assign to a student, okay? Or we can individually assign to a grading group. So you would create grading groups in your course, select the grading group. With this option, you could have different prompts pushed out to different grading groups of students and have 4, 5, 6, 7 different discussion boards going on at the same time. And they would be personalized for them, that group that you've put students into. Here is where you can require students to make a post before they see their classmates' posts. Please take a look for ways to manage discussion boards. One of our slides in our discussion board slides presentation for February. This is going to be important for you when you're managing student input and student participation. And then the ability to copy it to other courses. Create, and then you're on your way.